Hi guys, can you hear me? I'm not sure if you can hear me because I'm wearing a mask, so probably I'll just do a voiceover for the rest of the video because it's impossible. I feel like it's impossible to talk with a mask. It just feels awkward. Anyway, we're finally in town. The lockdown is over. We can finally go shopping and I'm so excited. It's definitely not the first thing I wanted to do when I'm out of the lockdown. I would probably prefer seeing my family first for sure, but unfortunately they're in a different country. I'm not sure when I'll be able to see them next. Hopefully soon, maybe in July. I really hope so. So I'm taking you with me to go on this shopping spree, this weird after the quarantine shopping spree. We'll see how it goes. I have a lot of things to buy, including some makeup products, so I'm very excited. So we are now on the main street in Geneva. As you can see, not a lot of people. And can you see the lines on the floors? They are for queuing up and keeping the social distance. Okay, it's our turn. Sanitizing hands in gloves, very important. We're back on the street and again, a lot of lines on the floors. Oh, are you seeing that too? The 19 bag in pink on that lady, so pretty. But also here is Rituals. I'm so excited to go in because I really need to buy some cream. Again, lines on the floor and we're going. Where is my cream? I'm gonna show you which one I'm using. I love the texture of it. It is pretty thick and very moisturizing. Okay, it's somewhere here. And I'm usually getting a refill because why would I spend some extra money on a new box? So here is Mango, not a lot of people in, but it's still morning. I mean, maybe that's why. So the first purchase, super happy. You can't really see my excitement, but I am excited, trust me. Globus, more people. And oh my god, can you see the queue to Nespresso? Everybody was craving coffee in here, I guess. So many people are queuing up. It's crazy. The weather is pretty dull. And here is the store we're actually going to. It's called BonjourAika. And it's so pretty. All the windows are remade. Okay, we have some instruction at the entrance. And have you seen the sneakers? They're so cute by Dolce & Gabbana. They remind me of the Fendi ones. And now we're in the perfume section. I'm looking at some candles. I don't know why not. And now I'm trying this beautiful trendy in the pink color. It looks amazing, so nice. And here is the blue one. This color is so vibrant, it is so bright. I've seen it last summer and I think it's still in stock because of what's going on right now. I've never seen this cutie in person, but it's really adorable. They also have the sneakers everyone is obsessed with. And can you see the dent? Oh, it doesn't look good. And also no stickers, so the whole plaque was scratched. Now we're in the shoe section. So many beautiful pieces for summer, but also spring. A lot of sneakers. This is nice. We've got Balenciaga over here and then Valentino. Their slides are honestly the best ones for summer. Super lightweight and very breathable. Here's some Chloe and Saint Laurent. I'm not really a fan of that leopard print. Now I've decided to check out Chanel Beauty because I also need one cream from there, but as you can see, one customer per one essay, so I'm waiting. And I am eyeing so many beautiful pieces from Zimmerman. This shirt is honestly amazing. It is so pretty. More dresses. It did some damage. It was such a good shopping at Chanel. The experience was amazing. I think it's such a rarity to meet such nice essays, and they were amazing and very helpful. And we know we had to keep the social distancing, and it was a little bit awkward and weird at times, but they were so helpful and I'm so happy. I'm actually waiting on another product they might receive within the next 2 weeks. I'm so excited. It is actually for this one. I will probably do the unboxing when I have both of the items so I can show you how they match. It's a matchy thing. But we're gonna go see more stuff now. I wanted to check out Zara because I want to see some summer outfits and maybe H&M. I'm not really sure how it's gonna work over there because it's mass market, and usually there is just so many people, and right now with the social distancing thing, I'm not even sure how it's gonna work. Now we're walking at Place du Moulin. It is so beautiful out and all the restaurants are open, but again, social distancing and 4 people max per table. Look at those cute flowers from Louis Vuitton. Please wait here. This is so nice. Ew, what's going on with my hair? Oh no. Oh no, I made it worse. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Fendi, I really wanted to check it out, but maybe next time. I was really exhausted. And here's the Hermes, and this Birkin is so pretty. Green color is really popping up this season. Look what I found. I couldn't believe it, but yes, it's available here and I had to get one. I'm so excited to try it. And back to more lines. Sale. Reopening. The lady is explaining where's the exit. Sanitizing our hands again, very important. Very few people in here right now. I was actually surprised. I expected to see more, but I guess it was morning probably. And here's me showing off my bag with literally one lipstick inside. Like, yeah. Oh, I really love the baskets. I think they're so cute for decor purposes, but I just don't know where to put them. And look at these hangers. They're so pretty. The clear ones are just very simple but sophisticated in my opinion, and also I love that they're pretty thin so you can fit a bunch in your closet. Right now I have the wooden ones like this, but they're pretty thick and I cannot fit a lot of them in my closet, but these ones are so thin and so beautiful. What? For 90 per hanger? That's just crazy. Okay, this chair is awkward. The mice and the cat. It's cute but awkward. New installation for summer. I'm just so excited seeing life getting back to normal, and this video is very raw, pretty much not edited. It's basically how I saw everything that day, and I didn't even edit much except for my voiceover you're hearing right now, but I wanted to show you the raw, the real. We're now at the restaurant. It's called Wine and Beef. It's honestly the best. I know we aren't supposed to eat right now in the restaurants, but we really missed it, and this place is just amazing. The food is delicious, so we wanted to celebrate the prison break. And now I'm finally in Zara. I'm so excited because I really wanted to go and buy some new pieces for summer. The last time I've been here was back in October 2019. Pretty long time, and I haven't even ordered anything online from Zara because honestly there wasn't anything I liked, but also, oh my god, so many people. But also I don't know, I'm trying not to buy a lot of fast fashion. I think it's bad for the environment, but also Zara's quality is really bad right now. I feel like everything you see is polyester. It's not breathable. It's not even high quality. I mean, the prices are pretty high right now in Zara. It's not cheap, but at the same time, after 3-4 washes, the item just ruins. But as you can see, they have a lot of denim, a lot of greens, a lot of blues, whites, shirts, dresses. Very pretty, but at the same time I'm just thinking to myself, will it really last? Because I don't want to buy something, wear it a couple of times and then throw it away. Okay, this section was so pretty because it just had so many bright colors. There's so much purple in here, like purple and lilac. So pretty, so summery. I have also noticed that they had so many linen pieces. It's probably on trend, but also it's a very nice material. It's very light, it's very breathable, you don't feel hot in it, but at the same time it wrinkles so bad. It's just such a pain in the ass trying to iron linen. This is cute actually. I didn't try it. I don't know why. I guess I was just too lazy, or probably I had more than 6 pieces already. This section also had a lot of bright pieces like orange, green, hot pink, white, so many juicy colors. This cardigan was so cute and on sale. and we see more white, more blue. This looked like silk, but it was sort of satin slash polyester material. Again, very bad. I hate it. It doesn't feel nice on the skin. I also really love this dress. I'm not sure if it's cheetah print or whatever print, like leopard print, I'm not sure, but I love the color. It looked so cute, but it was unfortunately too short for me. Here is more pieces, and there are so many flowy dresses. What do you think about this one? No. And then this corner was so much fun. And here is the line to the changing room. How crazy, like that's insane. And here's the section of like t-shirts, jeans, different tops, like denim jackets. I didn't find anything I liked that much, and I was sort of disappointed because I had really high hopes for the Zara trip, and I feel like I waited in lines a lot longer than I actually browsed around. So hi guys, so it's been such a productive morning and day in general. We are going home right now. It's currently 4:15. We're almost there. So we've spent good 3 hours of shopping, maybe a little bit more. We also had an amazing lunch today, and I could shop for a little bit longer, but you know, breathing in a mask is really difficult and it gets really hot, and we thought it was going to be a little bit colder today, but it was actually pretty warm, and I just felt exhausted because I was so hot. And also there are so many people right now in town. It was crazy. You had to see the lines in like Zara, and I didn't even try going to H&M, so I'll probably try another time. I was gonna buy some makeup today, but you know, the store with all the makeup I wanted to buy was actually on the other side of town, and again I was so exhausted. I also took Jumbo with me today, and this bag is heavy. I turned it into a crossbody bag and my shoulder is killing me right now. I mean, it is so heavy, so I think next time when I go I'm just gonna take my mini bag or something super light, so yeah, I can last longer. But it was a good day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.